Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have something truly special. We're going to be tying a knot on this 400-year-old Yoridoshi Tanto armor piercer. And before we tie the knot, I will show you the Tanto up close. For those of you that are wondering, the blade is supposed to be this small. It has not been ground down from sharpening. The blade profile is as thin as it is because it was used to get up between the cracks of the armor, or the gaps of the armor. It does have a hamon. It is not super prominent, but you can see it there. It has really pretty fittings. All right, so let's get started. So we have our Sageo right here, and I have centered it with the right one here is maybe an inch longer than the left one. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this left piece right here and we're going to twist it up, just like that. And we're going to take this right piece and bring it up here as well. And we're going to take both pieces and bring them around the bottom here. Keeping everything nice and neat. We're gonna make a little bit of room here at the top. We're gonna take this bottom piece here and we're gonna bring it up and make a loop. Up and make a loop and feed it through that opening that we've created. Just like that. Now, we're going to take the rest of this, try to keep everything neat, just like that. We're going to take this and bring it around just over, just like that. And then back around again underneath, right? We're going to create a little bit of room here. Once we go underneath, we're going to create another loop. And then up through this space that we've created. Just like that. So now we should have a little X across the front here, and then two kind of bunny ears at the top. This piece is going to come back around. And you're going to take it and feed it through your 2 loops up here. And there you have it. Now you can go through and tighten this all down and make it, nice and tight if you want it. Give you a little bit more slack up here at the top. If you have a nice stiff Sageo cord, it makes things a little easier so you can kind of form it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's our knot that we've tied today. Thank you guys for joining me. Have a nice day.